You've all been there, right? You're simply trying to find some health insurance, some medical insurance. You're looking for dental or vision or maybe some life insurance. And you're driven crazy because you made the mistake of going on the internet and Googling health insurance, right? Health insurance quotes, Obamacare, Affordable Care Act. You've Googled that, and now you've fallen into the rabbit hole where you're getting call after call after call after call, and it's driving you crazy. Some of you are between jobs and you just need something that will cover you for a few months. Others of you have been on the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare for some time and they've jacked your rates up so high you can't stand it. Some of you have been promised things that haven't been delivered. Some of you have been spoken to by somebody you thought was an agent, but really was just somebody on the phone selling some kind of junky discount coupon type program. Look, I know all the horror stories. I've been a part of the horror stories. I've been in the midst of the horror stories. My name is Adam Lobel, and if you'll trust me, if you'll take another minute to watch this video and understand that I am a salesman you can trust, here to take the harassment out of health insurance, I'll make your search for coverage a whole lot easier and a whole lot simpler. Look, I know lots of agents, lots of salesmen on the telephone are telling you things like, I'm licensed with lots of companies, and I'm here to find you the best one. Well, that makes it tough for those of us that really are, but if you'll look at the evidence here on the screen, you will see that I am legitimately licensed with over 30 carriers throughout this entire country. I am licensed to sell in over 30 states. My goal is to eventually sell in all 50, at least the 48 continental states of these great United States. My goal is to talk to you, hear what it is you're looking for, and the budget you have to spend on health insurance, and do all that I can to help you find a plan that matches that criteria. It's really pretty simple. But before I go, let me give you one big secret that the insurance industry, especially the online insurance industry, doesn't want you to know. You ready? You cannot get a legitimate health insurance quote online. That's right. You cannot get a legitimate health insurance quote online. Now, when I say legitimate, I mean if you want a bare bones plan that covers next to nothing, or leaves you with a giant deductible, or leaves you wondering if you got the best coverage you could, there are some sites out there and there are some ways to get some junky little garbage plans that aren't going to protect you the way that you need to be protected. Do not, and I'm sorry to disappoint you by saying this, do not go online thinking you can get a good, solid, trustworthy, full major medical health insurance quote online. Just about all of the sites that promise that, not all of them, but just about all of them, are just fooling you into putting your information in so you can receive a phone call. Now, receiving a phone call is not a bad thing. That's the best way to find and get the best insurance you can. But, Adam, you're saying, I have dealt with some of the biggest idiots on the telephone that I've ever encountered in my life. Of course you have. Idiots seem to dominate society, unfortunately. That's why I'm not standing here in a suit and a tie. I own many of them, but I'm here dressed as an everyman to show you that I am an everyday man, that I'm just like you, and I'm here to help you. I'm not here wheeling and dealing just to make the big bucks. Of course I want to make a living, but I am here to help you find the plan that you want, the plan that you need, and the plan that you deserve if you will just give me an opportunity to do that. How do you do that? Check out the website. I am going to post videos that encompass just about every scenario you could encounter in the world of health, dental, vision, and life insurance. I'm going to explain those situations and what you need to do in those situations and how dealing with me will help you deal with those situations. I am going to post articles. I am going to post numerous things with the idea being a salesmanyoucantrust.com will be a central hub for health, dental, vision, and life insurance information. It will not just be a site geared toward getting your personal information so we can harass you with phone calls and emails until hopefully enough people submit that I make a lot of money. That's not my goal. Of course I want to make money, but my goal is to take the harassment out of health insurance, and I'm hoping you will let me do that by clicking on the contact link at the top of the website, filling out a form, and giving me a day and a time that I can call you and politely, calmly discuss health insurance. Not harass you. Not get on the phone and within 30 seconds ask for your social security number or credit card number. I'll take my time to listen to what you want, to explain how I'm going to look for what you want, and find what you want for the best price possible out of those 30 carriers that I listed earlier on this video. I will do that because I'm a salesman you can trust, and I'm here to take the harassment out of health insurance.